Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing an unboxing and review of this Fylina wireless muscle massage gun. Now this was purchased for me by my wife off Amazon for a Christmas present, and I thought I'd do an unboxing today to show you guys what you get in the box, and also I'll do a review in a couple of weeks at the end of this video to see how I felt about the device, if it's been any good or not, and my general thought. About these wireless massage guns, you'll see that there's loads of them out there that you can buy, especially on Amazon. It's absolutely saturated with them, but my wife and myself have actually also done my research in trying to find this, and this was recommended through various fine searches on Google and looking at different guns and the motors inside them. And this is also on Amazon, has got like over 85% kind of 5-star reviews, so it's got some really great reviews and people are raving about it, and it's good value for money compared to some of the more expensive ones out there. This seems to be a good overall model. So let's get into it and see what you get in the box. So on the box itself, it's fairly plain. You've obviously got the kind of picture of the device on the front, and on the back and sides it's kind of fairly blank, but on the back you've got so it shows you super silent technology, and it says, I've used some of the cheaper ones actually that are fairly noisy. My friend's got one that is, he only paid I think about 30 quid for it, and it was very, very noisy, so I'm hoping that this is a little bit quieter. So you get this nice, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you can see. So you got this nice carry case that's kind of this, well, rough material, but it's very durable, which is a nice thing to carry it in. This side you've got the round shape, tells you what it's used for, mushroom shape, U-shape, conical shape, arc shape, and the full claw shape. So they're all used for different reasons. It gives you a bit of information about those as well. Wow, this has got some real weight to it actually. It feels quite weighty, very, very well built. It's got this kind of a nice rubberized, soft touch feel to it. And on the back, you've obviously got the power on display, plus and minus. And yeah, it feels very, very weighty. And I said I've used my friend's and it was a lot lighter than this, but this feels nice and it feels very well built. On the bottom here you've got a charging port, and then you've got the on and off there, which is obviously lit at the back now, so it's got a little bit of power in here. So let's just try it, switch it on, see what it sounds like. Okay. So that seems like it's on max. That's not very noisy at all, really. Yeah, and it obviously lights up in green when it's on. It's a really nice touch. Yeah, so it looks really, really high quality, guys. So what I'm going to do is, obviously you've seen what's in the box now, to show you as well. You get the charger. So I'm going to charge this now for 6 hours. I'm then going to use this a little bit later on. And then over the next couple of days, I'm going to start using this a bit more, and then I'll give you my kind of final thoughts and verdict on this. Everybody, welcome back to the second part of this video. I've now been using this Fylina massage gun for about 3 months, and I'm pleased to say that this has been amazing. I actually thought it was going to be a bit of a fad. I thought it was one of the things I might buy, use it a couple of times and stick it in a cupboard, but I've actually used this at least 3 times a week. And over the past few months, it's been amazing. It's been really, really helped, especially at the moment in the UK where we've got COVID rules, can't go for a sports massage, etc. This has really helped me. Now, I suffer from incredibly tight shoulders, lats, and my calf muscles are ridiculously tight. And I was told that I need to get a sports massage at least once a month, which can be quite expensive. So having something like this, I think is going to save me money, because it's actually giving me the same results as I get from going to a sports massage, and that's no joke. It feels exactly the same. I've been able to dig as deep into my tissues as I normally would do with someone actually using their elbow, which is what they normally do, on my calf muscles. And it's really painful, but it really works. I can feel it the next day. So I've been predominantly using this kind of softer joint, ball joint section on my kind of shoulders, anywhere that's kind of bony. I wouldn't use the plastic tips, I'd use something a bit softer. And for the areas of my muscles that I've been digging into, I've been using that one there, which has kind of got these like 4-fingered thing, which is really, really good. I haven't really used the other parts very much, except for this one there, which is like the detail area. So if you've got a knot or something, you can really kind of dig in deep in that section and really press down, and it's amazing. It really helps. It's bloody painful though, so be aware of that. This isn't for the faint-hearted. When you've got tight muscles and you dig in with these things, it really hurts. So it's been great, and I found it very helpful. If you are a runner, if you're into weight training, any kind of training, or even if you sit at a desk all day and you've got kind of tight muscles and shoulders, this is great. So my wife has got fairly bad posture because she sits at a desk all day, and I've been helping use this on her shoulders, and it's been great. She said it feels amazing, it feels loads better after she's used this. And sometimes you can obviously easily use it yourself, but it's better if you get someone else to do it for you, because it means that you can relax into the massage exactly like you would do if you were getting a kind of personal massage. Now, other than that, this has been great. The battery's been very good. I only charge this like once a week for the amount of use that I use it for, and I use it for about sort of 10 minutes at a time. Now, these things are quite hard to pull off, so you can see I had to put quite a lot of force to pull them off, and they're just like a very basic socket in there. I think they could have designed that better, maybe with something that you could twist to get them out, rather than it feeling like they're going to break eventually. But I think that it's built very well, so I don't imagine that's going to be a problem. And they all fit in very nice and secure, and they said the machine feels very well built. And at the back, you said the controls are nice and easy to use. I generally find that if you switch it on, at that level, I never use it. I never use it on number 1, because if you're trying to put it on your shoulders and everything else, it's very jumpy. Whereas I always have it on the highest, which is 20, which is that. And you can see then, when you move it across your body, you can just move it across, and it feels so good. It feels amazing. It feels really good. And I think one of the best things to do is, if you're in any doubts about buying one of these, is buy one off Amazon. Try it out, see what you think, and if you don't like it, send it back. But I think you'll be surprised. I think it'll be something that you want to keep in your kind of arsenal of things that you can help to kind of do self massage on yourself. I've also used this in combination with a massager that I did a review on a while ago, which I use quite a lot. I'll put a link below for that one as well. That's quite good if you're doing your lower back. You can massage your lower back, and you can do this at the same time. So it feels really good using these tools to help give yourself a bit more assistance, especially if you're someone that can't potentially go for sports massages, or you don't like them and you just want to do it yourself. This could be a great tool. If you found this video useful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.